security's cell and hand him the receiver. That is not what happened. The calls made by Williams include calls to members of this group of singers who Williams claims to manage. In fact, Wayne Williams, from his cell, set up this rehearsal and invited the Action News team in to videotape it.
Then Jimmy told me an incredible story. He was actually with Wayne the night he was picked up by the FBI and taken in for questioning. That night, Wayne had taken Jimmy and his fellow bandmates to Wendy's after practice. That's when it happened.
Is that guy's lights off?
Happened.
We went to Wendy's on 4th and Industrial. We were sitting in the window. Man, you can see the cops, you can see the cars. They were just sitting there, the ones that we would recognize. Okay, we were sitting there and said, man, if they're gonna lock me up, I wish they just gonna lock me up. Stop harassing me.